onion and garlic. Fry in oil. Add chicken, 750 grams. Fry well. Add ginger powder, a quarter teaspoon. 1 chicken cube. Mix and fry. Chinese salt, a quarter teaspoon. Salt to taste. Tomato, green chilies, chopped. Mix well. Cover with the lid for 10 minutes slow flame. Red chili powder, 1 teaspoon. Black pepper, a quarter teaspoon. Mix well. Cook until oil should be separate. A pan, a quarter teaspoon oil. Add vegetable, capsicum, green and red, onion. Little bit soft. Add all fried vegetables. Mix, 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 mix. Add 1 cup tomato ketchup. Add 1 cup water. Mix well. Add 2 cups water and cover with the lid for 10 minutes. Slow flame. After 10 minutes, it's done. Ready to eat. Serve with white rice. Like, share, subscribe. Today's special menu. Kung Food Official.